If you are looking for a new car and your budget is around 6 to 6.5 lakh rupees, so watch this video till the end, because today I have a car which really did and doing great in its segment, and that is Tata Tiago. And welcome to AutoQuest. My name is Bhupinder, and guys, this Tata Tiago variant is XTO. So first, Tiago's variants. So you get 5 variants in Tiago now: XE, XM, XTO, XT and XZ Plus. And Tiago is also available in CNG. So for CNG you can opt between the variant XE, XM, XT and XZ Plus. If you want the XTO, that is only available with the petrols. Now the color options. So this is the grey color. Other than that, you get the white color, blue color and red color in all the variant. But from XT variant you also get another color, which is midnight plum color. And in the XZ Plus, the upper variant, you will get the dual tone options with the white and the red color. So now let's check out the car and see what features we get in XTO variant. So the front of this car looks quite beautiful because of this grille. So this glossy black finish grille in XTO variant has the tri-arrow patterns, which you can see in almost all the Tata cars. And look at this face, this is quite beautiful. And look at the size of these headlamps. So this vehicle has halogen headlamps. Down there are no fog lamps, but you can get it in the accessories. Now the width of this car, and the width of this car is 1677 mm. Now let's check out this hatchback from the side. See, nice. So the ground clearance of Tata Tiago is 170 mm in the petrol and 168 mm if you are buying an CNG option. And this tire size is of 14 inches, and this vehicle, this particular variant, has the full wheel cover. And look at the ORVMs now. So this vehicle has glossy black finish on the ORVMs with blinker, and this vehicle has the body colored door handle. Up there is no black taping on the B pillar, but in upper variant, XT variant and upper variants, you will get this B pillar in black color. Now let's check out the Tata Tiago from rear. The rear of Tata Tiago is quite okay. This is not that beautiful, but it is okay as a small hatchback. And up there you get an integrated spoiler with these sporty spats. So these black color spats given in all the Tiago variants. So in XTO variant you don't get the defogger wiper washer options. Down there you get the Tiago badging. There are no badge for the variant. And this vehicle has normal tail lights. Now let's check out the boot. So to open the boot, you have to use the keys only, and you can also open it from the driver side door. Now the boot space. So this vehicle has ample boot space, and you get all the tools in this compartment. Now let's check out the spare wheel. So this vehicle has 13 inches spare wheel given, and it has written that this can go up to 80 km/h maximum speed. So this is for the temporary use only, and there is ample space. In XT variant, upper variant, you will get a partial shelf also. In XTO you don't get a partial shelf, so this is also an difference. Now the rear door trim. So rear door trims are of black and this grey color. See, this light grey color looks quite okay, and there is a 1 liter bottle holder. And the best thing about XT optional is this vehicle has the 4 speakers given by the company, but there is no music system. So space, it has good space, good thigh support there, and good leg room. And there you get a simple bottle holder, and there are 2 headrests. Both of the headrests cannot be adjusted, and it has good amount of nice headroom, is quite good. I am 5'8" and I am having a good amount of space here. So if you are 6 feet 6'2", there won't be any problem sitting at the rear, and seats are quite comfortable there. Now let's go to the driver seat, and before that, check out the driver door trim. So this is of black and again this grey color, and half liter bottle holder is given there. All 4 power windows controls are there in XTO, and ORVMs can be adjusted from there. In XTO there is no height adjustable seat for the driver, but in XT variant you will get the height adjustable seat. And now the steering. So steering is quite nice, it looks beautiful. It is a D-cut steering, a small steering, and there is control for the music system, but there is no music system. I don't know why these controls are given. Maybe you can get a music system from the Tata Motors itself, which can be operated by these buttons. And at the front, let me show you the key first. Let me get the key. So see, so this kind of key you'll get with the Tata XTO, lock, unlock, follow me headlamps, and another key is a simple key with a Tata logo. Now let me show you. Let's start the car once. Nice. So there is no sound of this engine. This is a silent engine, and now the engine in Tata Tiago is a phase 2 ready engine. So this is a good thing. There is a digital display there, so you can see all the informations from there, and you can change it from this knob. So you can change it and check out all the informations. Now the dashboard. So Tiago has a good thing that this dashboard size, look at the size of this dashboard. So you get a good amount of size of this dashboard, which is okay, and looks also looks good. And there is space for your music system. There are no controls because there is no music system, so you don't get any of the controls here. Down there you get AC heater and manual AC heater. Down there you get ample space to keep your stuff. 12-volt charging socket, A-type charging socket. And this XTO variant is only available with the 5-speed manual transmission, and there is 2 cup holders, and there is little space to put your coins or keys. Let's check out the glove box now. So there is good space in glove box, and there is a tablet holder given by Tata Motors. This is also a good thing, and this is not a cooled glove box. Now up there you get the manual day-night adjustable IRVM, and in XTO there is no vanity mirror, but XT variant has the vanity mirror for co-driver. So that was all for the interior. Now let's go out and talk about the safety features, engine, and the main thing, which is the pricing, which makes this car most value for money. So now the best thing about this car, which really attracts its customer towards Tata Tiago, which is the safety ratings. So this vehicle has 4-star safety rating in global NCAP. Other than that, you get 2 airbag, ABS, EBD, CSC control, 2 parking sensors with XTO variant. In upper variant, you also get a parking camera. Now the engine options. So this vehicle is only available with petrol engine, which is a 1.2 liter Revotron engine, produces the power of 86 PS and torque of 113 Newton meter. But if you'll go for the CNG, in CNG this same engine will produce the power of 73 PS and torque of 95 Newton meter. Now the warranty you get with Tata Tiago is 3 years and 1 lakh kilometers, and you can extend it further. You can ask your local dealer about the extended warranty. Now the pricing of this car. So this XTO variant will cost you ex-showroom price of 5,99,900 rupees. So if you belong to Haryana, so in Haryana you'll have to pay less 3% registration tax for this car. If you'll go for the XT variant, the upper variant, you will have to pay 8% registration tax, and for that you'll have to pay 32,000 rupees ex-showroom price extra. So I always prefer that XT optional is a better choice. You can save money and you can fix some accessories from the Tata Motors itself or from the outer market. So that was about the pricing. That was all from our side. If you liked the video, please share this video and also subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.